sweet, plumber, pressure, chocolate, air, camera, cash, boy, basic, draft, sword. Hi everyone, welcome to English with Susan. In today's lesson, we are going to look at 15 words most of my students commonly mispronounce. I will teach you how to say the words, then I will use each word in a sentence. You can practice by saying each word after me. Let's dive in. The first word on our list is accent. This word is sometimes mispronounced as accent, but the correct pronunciation is accent. She speaks English without the slightest trace of an accent.
Accents.
Accents?
An accent? Accent!
The next word on our list is luxury. This word is often mispronounced, but the correct way to say it is luxury. They stayed in a luxury hotel by the beach.
Luxury apartment.
A luxury.
Luxury.
Noun. Here's a tricky one. It's not yacht, but yacht. The CH is silent. Yacht. The president spent the weekend sailing on the luxury yacht. In US, it's pronounced yacht, while in British, it's pronounced yacht.
Yacht.
Yachts, fast yachts.
Next up, we have this word, build. You will hear a lot of people say build, but it's actually pronounced build. The U is silent. My father plans to build a new house next year.
Builds and builds and builds.
Build.
Next, we have towel. Some might say towel, but the correct pronunciation is towel. It rhymes with owl. Towel. He grabbed a towel after his shower.
Towel. Towel. Towel.
Towels. Towels.
Our sixth word is entrepreneur. Many people say entrepreneur, but the correct pronunciation is entrepreneur. It's a French word. My brother is a successful entrepreneur in the tech industry.
Entrepreneurs.
Entrepreneur.
Entrepreneur.
Entrepreneurs.
Entrepreneurs.
Moving on to our next word. This word is not pizza or pizza. It is pronounced pizza. The Z gives a ts sound. Pizza. Pizza. Here's an example. Let's order a pizza for dinner tonight.
Pizza, 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 pizza.
Pizza?
Pizza.
Pizza, pizza, pizza! Pizza, pizza, pizza.
This word is not pronounced dwarf. There's no R there. It is pronounced dwarf. Here's an example. Snow White and the Seven Dwarfs.
Dwarf.
This word is often pronounced incorrectly as nasal. The correct way to say it is nasal. Nasal. Here's an example. Sarah's nasal voice could be heard a mile away.
Nasal strips. Nasal strips.
This word is often mispronounced as genre, but it should be genre. My favorite genre of music is jazz.
Genre. Genre. It's genre. Genre.
This word right here is mostly mispronounced as sour. The correct way to say it is sour. Sour. Here's an example. These plums are a bit sour. These plums are a bit sour.
Sour. Sour. Sour.
How do you say this day of the week? Do you say Wednesday? The correct way to say it is Wednesday. Wednesday. The first D is silent. Here's an example. The restaurant is always closed on Wednesday.
Wednesday.
Wednesday. Wednesday. Wednesday.
Wednesday. Wednesday.
Wednesday. Wednesday.
Here's another commonly mispronounced word. Do you pronounce this word as vegetable? This word has just 3 syllables. It's pronounced vegetable. Vegetable. Here's an example. We don't have any fresh vegetables, only frozen peas.
Vegetables.
Vegetable.
Vegetables. Good vegetables.
Our next word is this. Often mispronounced as lingerie. The correct pronunciation is lingerie. Lingerie. Here's an example. She bought a new lingerie on Thursday.
Lingerie.
You never bought me lingerie.
Lingerie
Lingerie.
I have lingerie.
Do you like sports? No, really, do you like sports? If you do, let me ask you, how do you say this word? Do you say athlete? The correct way to pronounce this word is athlete. Here's a sentence. She has the build of an athlete.
An athlete?
You're an athlete.
Athlete, you're an
I'm an athlete.
athlete, or you're not an athlete.
Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in my next video.